great day. Welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time here, my name is Chris. It's so nice to meet you. And to all of my longtime followers, thanks for coming back, y'all. It's actually pretty early in the morning and the sun is kind of coming in. So the video lighting might be a little bit off today. It's like in and out and stuff. So just ignore that. But anyways, today I'm here to unbox my fall makeup box from Vegan Cuts. So this is the quarterly box. I've been unboxing Vegan Cuts for a while now. And just so you know, this is not their monthly box. This is the one that comes out 4 times a year. So spring, summer, fall, and winter. This is the fall makeup box. So what I personally like about boxes that come quarterly is it gives you a chance to like enjoy the products for a longer period of time. You know, monthly boxes are cool and stuff, and I totally love unboxing monthly boxes and trying out monthly boxes and stuff, but sometimes you can't get through everything, you know what I mean? And you end up with too many products. Like I mentioned previously, I have cleaned out this room and I'm literally left with very, very little makeup. Like, it's kind of crazy. But anyways, that's okay. I got some new stuff here. And I will be putting the dates that I open these products on as well, so I know when to toss things. But anyways, that's not what this video is about. This month's theme is glitz and glamour, and it looks like we have 5 items in here. Today I think I'm going to start out with the brow product because I did not do my brows today, so I'll do them a little bit here on camera. The first product looks like this. This is from Mandar Cosmetics, and this is their brow trio that retails for $21. The card says, use this brow powder trio of highly pigmented colors to define and highlight with ease. So as you can see, this is a little mini brow product, and I'm not hating the size because first of all, this is perfect for travel. And me personally, I don't really have to do a lot to my brows because they're fairly thick on their own. Yo, okay. My brows are actually really, really thick, and I have to do something to them every single day. But something this size is going to last me forever because I use so little product. It says that this is a 3-step effect product. So you have like a, once I can get it open, you have a highlight shade. What in the world? Okay, this is really hard to open. I had to use a pen to get it open. But you have a highlight shade, a mid-tone shade, and a deeper shade. So looking at this, I'm totally going to use the deeper shade, and I could definitely use the highlight shade as well, and I could totally use this on my eyelids, which is what I tend to do. Anything that's this color I can double up as a brow product or as eyeshadow. Take the deeper shade here. Oh, it's very soft. Mandar is actually a really good brand. I like that. I'm going to use this little busted mirror. And y'all, honestly, what I do with my brows, because once again they are fairly thick, I just kind of go in along the top like this. And I just fill in any holes. I don't go for like a really strong brow. I don't really think I need to. Just come up here. And honestly, like that little bit just kind of cleans everything up. It makes a better frame. This brow is always so much more jacked up than the other one. It kind of doesn't lay the same. I think that looks a lot cleaner. What do you think? And again, honestly, on a day-to-day, I don't really use like highlighter shades under my brows. I'm looking for a small brush to try the color out. Let's see what this looks like. So you can see it's showing up there. It is definitely a lighter tone. And sometimes if I'm feeling fancy, if I do decide to do a brow highlight, I'll take the lighter shade and kind of just run it up here. But I kind of don't feel like I need to today. Blend it in a little bit. I think it looks pretty good. Alright, so item number 2 is from All Natural, and this is their Pore Minimizing Finishing Powder, and this retails for $26. The card says, a luxurious finishing powder that diminishes shine and sets makeup so your fresh face look last all day long. So first things first, the packaging, okay? It's a powder in a oblong package, which is interesting because most powders come in like a little pot, right? So let's see what this looks like. Okay, y'all, so I've never seen a powder packaged this way other than like the sunscreen, like the natural mineral sunscreen powders and stuff, but this is very rare. So I think that that's pretty interesting. It's not too bright, so I may be able to use this depending on how it dispenses. And speaking of how it dispenses, yo, okay, this has a nozzle. Have y'all ever seen a powder with a nozzle? I've never seen a powder with a nozzle. So I'm kind of like thrown off right now, but let's see how this comes out. Oh, y'all, it's like a it's like a powder spray, like for real. And I think I sprayed too much. Okay, there's powder everywhere right now. All right, y'all, so y'all might see some powder flakes and dust and stuff flying around. Let me see if this is talc free. So this does not contain any talc, which is fantastic because, you know, I wouldn't want to have that, you know, floating around in the atmosphere and stuff. So this says that it's exclusively non-nano titanium dioxide, iron oxides, mica, and arrowroot powder. So let's see what the color looks like. Look at that. Completely disappeared, which means I can try this on. I'm gonna take a little bit of the powder. Y'all see that? I'm just gonna start with that little bit, okay? I'm gonna take this little velour puff here. And I'm just gonna apply it to areas where I tend to get shiny. I am always shiny right here in my cheeks. No matter what I put here, I'm always shiny here. And that looks really, really nice. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I feel a lot less oily. So I'm not seeing any like white cast or yellow cast or anything like that. It literally disappeared into my skin and I am loving this. And I'm putting this in my bag today. All right, so I'm just gonna stay here because next up is a lippy. And this is from Axiology. Axiology? I hope I'm saying that correctly. But this is a lip crayon that retails for $26. It says here, an organic conditioning lip crayon with a vibrant pigment payoff and a luxurious matte finish that keeps your palette replenished. So the color I have here is called Keen. And I've never heard of this brand. It's not ringing a bell. I know I've unboxed a lot of products over the years, and I don't remember seeing Axiology. And I hope I'm saying that right once again. But cool. Y'all know I love lip stuff. So there is Keen, okay? Thank goodness I'm wearing black because it'll just match. I'm gonna wipe off my lip gloss right now. And I had a little bit of this lip liner. Well, this is actually an eyeliner. This is the Honeybee Gardens that we got in the last Vegan Cuts box. This is the Belgian chocolate eyeliner that I just use as a lip liner because it's like the perfect color for me. I'm gonna take this off. And we're gonna apply Keen. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to use the Belgian chocolate to kind of blend it in because this is a very orange color. Here we go. That is pretty. Look at how orange that is. That's so cute though, right? That's beautiful. So orange is tricky for me because it kind of blends with my skin tone and I again end up losing a lot of definition. But this is a really flattering shade of orange. And I'm noticing that this is an orange that does not make my teeth look yellow, which is fantastic. I'm gonna take a little bit of this liner. And kind of make this work for me even more. I'm not the best at lining my lips, so what I do is I kind of do it sloppily. And then I just take like a lip brush and I kind of blend it all together. The older I get, it seems like I'm losing definition here, like I'm losing my actual lip line. It's kind of just blending in. So it's become a lot more difficult for me to line my lips successfully. Okay, so I love this color. Now, I know like for me with lip crayons personally, if I don't blot them, they end up on my teeth, and this one is doing it a little bit. I have a little bit right here. So I'm gonna blot, get the excess off, and then I'm gonna take this off my teeth, obviously. This is actually really pretty, y'all. Okay, like seriously, I'm gonna have to check out more from this brand. How much was this? $26. It's expensive, but I'm going to check out the brand to see what else they offer. All right, so up next we have a product called Aesthetica Color Correcting Concealer, and this retails for $18. So it says, effortlessly camouflage and cover any skin imperfections with this concealer featuring 4 different neutralizing hues. All right, so I have 2 color correcting palettes right now, and they're from Cosmetics. This one is huge. And it has 4 bright color correcting colors. I usually tend to go for yellows and like orange colors, like salmon colors. Not necessarily this shade, but this is super pretty. So I'm gonna swatch this to see what it looks like on my skin. I have makeup on right now, so I won't be able to test like the color correcting properties of it. But I'm gonna see what the colors look like. What? Y'all heard Chloe? She said, ah. They're very, very smooth. There's the yellow one. So the yellow's for brightening. Mint green cancels out redness. That's a pretty shade. It says that lavender is good for balancing dull yellow undertones, as well as balancing under eye circles. There. So I don't think I would be able to use that color either. I know lavender is a color that I struggle to wear like in clothing. I used to wear it all the time, and looking back, I'm just like, you know what, that is not that good of a color on you, girl. No. Have you ever done that? Like you used to wear like something all the time, and you look back and you're like, what in the world? What? This coral color says that it's for canceling out dark circles and acne scars and other dark discolorations. So yeah, that is very, very pink. I would have to be very careful with using that. All right, so last but not least, we have a cosmetic bag that I needed. I needed this. Yo. All right, so if y'all don't know, cosmetic bags are so expensive nowadays. Like, what in the world? It says that this is a bonus beauty tool, and it says MOTD, which I think stands for Makeup of the Day. Rose gold vegan leather canvas bag that retails for $27. So it says, carry your favorite beauty essentials everywhere you go with this beautiful faux leather rose gold canvas bag. And once again, I needed this because the one I'm carrying right now, it's okay. It's okay. It's just a little bit too small for the days where I decide to take everything in the kitchen sink. You know those days, y'all have those days where you just take everything. The one I have is too small, so this is a much better size. Let me show you the one I have. This is the one I have, and okay, it really don't look that small here, but the shape of it is making things a little bit cluttered in here. I have a whole lot of life in here. This, by it being longer, is easier to put like pencils and stuff like that. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Don't act like you don't know what I'm trying to say. Alright y'all, so that was the final item in the fall makeup box. Don't forget to check out the link below in case you're interested in checking out a box for yourself. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. This box was actually a lot of fun. I'm like all hype and bubbly and stuff. But I hope you enjoyed this video and hanging out with me today. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I know many of you are coming to me saying like, oh my gosh, I haven't seen a video from you in forever. Y'all, YouTube. Okay, so just be sure to hit the notification bell. That way you know whenever I post here on YouTube. Alright y'all, so till next time, take care.
Be sure to check out my channel homepage and our new channel, The Wind Down with Chris and Ty, for lots more to watch.